Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin Earl at Earl MD. Today we're going to talk about a common problem with skin laxity. Skin laxity happens over time as we age. The connective tissues become relaxed or stretched during pregnancy or through being overweight and hormone changes. A lot of things can cause skin laxity. There are different solutions that are out on the market. The external devices work from the surface of the skin, attempting to heat the tissues up underneath the skin to produce a skin tightening effect. And it's difficult to get the tissues underneath the skin to a high enough temperature where you actually can produce that much of a difference. I want to show you a diagram of how skin laxity happens and how we can correct it. This is the skin, this is the connective tissue that holds the skin down to the muscle. Look at it like the ropes that hold the tent down. As the ropes get lax, the tent gets lax. So with the external devices like Thermitight and old therapy are on the surface of the skin. They attempt to heat these tissues up to hot enough temperature to actually cause collagen remodeling. Well, you're not able to get the tissues very hot because if you do, you'll burn the skin. They get it up to like 45 to 50 degrees. With Thermitight, we make a small puncture in the skin and I infiltrate numbing fluid underneath the skin. That eliminates any need for any anesthesia. Once it's all numb, we take a radio frequency probe. It's the size, the width of a pencil lead, and goes underneath the skin and heats us up to 65 and 70 degrees Celsius. That's a critical temperature to more aggressively remodel those collagen fibers. We remodel the collagen fibers, tighten down the ropes, tighten down the tent. Short of during surgery, this is the most advanced or aggressive skin tightening procedure that you can do. I'm going to show you some of our patients. It does take about 6 months for you to see your ultimate result because it takes time to regenerate that collagen. This is before pre-treatment. This is 6 months, 15 months, 30 months. You can see the jawline improve. You can see the turkey neck improve. At 15 months, she's still improving. At 2.5 years, she's starting to lose some of the results. So we say it lasts about 3 years, but even at 2.5 years, she still looks a lot younger than she does there. We treat a variety of different areas: the neck, the arms, the inner thighs, the knees, and the abdomen also. Here is a patient I'd like to show you. This is an abdomen. You can see the skin laxity that's seen in the upper abdomen and the lower abdomen. And here she is afterwards. See a lot more skin tightening on the top and on the bottom. Some people get unbelievable results. Not everybody's going to get this knock it out of the park result. It's going to range from anywhere from 30% skin tightening to 60% skin tightening. This is probably the best one we've ever had. So we have a little disclaimer there. We're not going to be able to get this on everyone, but she responded very well. You can see the skin laxity. She's in a diver pose here, and so it shows up the skin laxity here, and she is afterwards. So she's a little bit more bent over here than she is here, but I think you can see the result. That definitely a very effective treatment for skin laxity. So, and that procedure is called Thermitight. It's minimally invasive, and you can go back to work the next day. And the nice thing about it is, for the summer, we're offering a great discount for it, up to 30% off if you respond within the next 4 weeks. The other thing that we want to talk about, that in June we're going to have a week-long special for Coolsculpting. And for different areas, we can treat the neck, the arms, the muffin top, the inner thighs and knees, the saddlebags, and you're going to be able to receive up to 20% off on that. So make sure you watch for our videos, and you can even call the office if you'd like to know more about the specials that are coming up in June. It'll be a week-long program. So the office number is 479-273-1426.